Hello everybody, it's Connie Stewart with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Welcome to another Tuesday tip video. Today's a really awesome one because I've got 9 different ways you're going to be able to use Stampin' Up's clear envelopes. Now, have you seen these? I kind of call them a little hidden gem in the catalog. They're easy to miss because, well, they're clear. So it's a little difficult to photograph these, but let me tell you what, so many different things you can do with Stampin' Up's clear envelopes. You can find these on page 168 of the annual catalog, by the way. Today we're going to cover 9 ways. Are you ready? You might want to grab a beverage. We got a lot to showcase today, so let's get started. All right, let's talk about some of the different ways that you are going to be able to use Stampin' Up's clear envelopes. Well, first, let's start with the obvious. We can mail a card in a clear envelope. It is true. You can run these, you can send these through the mail. Let me go ahead and show you how the envelopes work. They're actually already have adhesive on it. You just peel away the backing. This will come down and it's going to seal, and you notice it's very clear, so it really makes for a nice way to mail a card. And then to open it, the recipient just has to open it this way. Now you may go, but how am I going to mail that? You can take a piece of copy paper. This is cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You can slide that down into the envelope and then seal it up. And so now all you have to do is put your stamp on the outside. That is important. The stamp does need to be on the outside of the envelope. You can also put your return address labels here on the outside. And then the recipient's address label can go there. Again, stamp here on the outside. I do want to make sure to tell you that some post offices do require extra postage on the clear envelopes. I'm going to be honest, it depends on where you live. It depends on your post office and how they want to handle it. So I do recommend that you check with your local post office before mailing cards in the clear envelopes to make sure they're not going to require extra postage. Now, let's say, for instance, you don't want to mail in the clear envelopes. Did you know you can also seal up your hand-stamped cards in a clear envelope and put them inside one of our medium envelopes? And guess what? Your card is now protected from the elements. If it gets wet, if it gets rained on, any kind of damage it might receive through the post office, look at that. Your card is going to stay nice and pristine. No bleeding ink, no smudges, no watermarks. If you want a more decorative look, did you know that you can run the clear envelopes through an embossing folder? I hope you can see that. I wanted to put a piece of cardstock behind it so you could see how pretty the embossing looks on an envelope. How about a quickie treat bag? This is so easy. You're just going to cut away the adhesive area. You've now got a great cello bag you can fill with candy or any other treats, and you can see, just simply tie it up and add a tag, you're all ready to go. How about a quickie way to give the gift of note cards and envelopes? So I have 4 cards, 4 envelopes. I've stuffed those down into one of the clear envelopes. Watch this. We're going to peel this away. Close it up. You can then tie it up with some ribbon, and now you've got a great gift in a wonderful little cello bag. Here's another treat bag. You may have seen this. I shared this on a video not too long ago, but I used the clear envelopes to create another little treat bag. Any fun size candy bar will fit perfect in these. This is another little quickie treat bag, and I did it with a piece of 6x6 designer series paper. It's actually 4 1/2 by 6, scored at 1 1/2 inches, and you can see I just simply put my Hershey nuggets inside, folded down, sealed it up, and just attached it up with some ribbon. This is another project I shared the other day. What about a memory album? This is also done with the clear envelopes. Did you know that you can create shaker cards with the clear envelopes? Yep, you can. This one I just filled with the new ice Stampin' Glitter, and then I die cut some little flowers, and the word happy goes perfect with my little happy birthday card. So many amazing projects. I hope you were inspired today. Guys, this is definitely one of those products you want to tack on to the end of your next order. Here in the United States, you get 50 of them for $6. It's quite the bargain. I love these and I find uses for them all the time, and I think you will too. Now, if you want to find more information about today's video, you want to see the images of some of the things I shared today, head over to simplysimplestamping.com and look for the September 10th 2019 blog post. That's where I'll have all the details. As I said, some photos, and if you're ready to order those clear envelopes, it's super easy. Click a pic, you'll go right to my online store and you can order what you need. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Hey, if you liked today's video, and I hope you did, give me a thumbs up on YouTube. I always appreciate that. And if you haven't already subscribed, take a minute to click that great big red subscribe button, and YouTube will let you know whenever I'm back with a new video. I share 3 videos with you each and every week, and that way you've got inspiration just coming at you. So why not click that subscribe button and get notified whenever I'm back? All right, my friends, that is all for me. Thank you again so much for being here. I hope you have a fabulous Tuesday. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.